Good morning, Lily. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Here I am. Here I am. Hello. Hi. Say, did I have a happy Thanksgiving? Hey, where's Mama? Where's Mama? Hello. Bless you. Bless you. Say hello, Daddy. Say I'm having fun in New York. Tell him about your Thanksgiving. Do you want to tell him what a happy Thanksgiving you had? Do you want to do that? Hello. Good morning, gorgeous girl. Good morning. Hello. Hello. Say hello, Daddy. I miss you. Do you want to tell him that you miss him? Would you like to do that? Liliana, Liliana, there's my beautiful girl. I see you looking at me. I see you looking. Say hi, Daddy. You're looking right at the camera, aren't you? I miss you. Love you.